Hello viewers, welcome back to Alpha Active Learning. Today Standard 8 English. Topic is Nature created man and woman as equal. One of the most important topic which has changed the horizon of a woman in our day-to-day life. So let's begin. Many women like Kalpana Chawla, PV Sindhu, PT Usha, Dr. Anandibai, Rani Lakshmibai, Bibi Fatima, the first teacher Savitribai Phule, legend Lata Mangeshkar, Arundhati, a Bharatanatyam exponent from Kalakshetra, and Rani Padmini. What is common in all them? That they are the best in their field, they are best in their career, and they have contributed and made their own identity in the unique identity in the world of men. So our lesson is also based on this. Let's start. The house and its surrounding are a sight of peace in the early morning of April. It nestles by the side of a small stream of crystal clear water. The stream tumbles down the green mountains only 2 miles or so away. There is a stretch of hundreds of acres of fertile land rolling with yellow mustard flowers between the mountain range and the house. A garden is in front of the house. Trees of many kinds bearing flowers of various hues and fruits grow on all sides of the house. So here there is a description of a house which is very close. Nestles means very close to the water. Rolling means extending in a long gentle slope. So let's look. This is a house which is in the mountain region. You can see a crystal clear water is flowing. There are mountains and around this house there are many trees having the fruits. You can also see a yellow color mustard flower garden. Okay. So this house is really in a very green area. The courtyard smells of jasmine which blooms in bunches of white pearls. The fragrance mingles with the thin smoke that rises from sweet smelling incense sticks. The burning incense sticks are glowing at the altar of God in the middle of the courtyard. Now, the same house has a beautiful jasmine flower as you can see in the picture. White color and fragrance means sweet smelling, pleasant smelling. Mingle means that mixes with the smoke from the incense sticks. And because of this, the entire atmosphere is like a heavenly atmosphere created in the courtyard. Asangvi is in her reading room and is busy writing an article. She is middle-aged mother of 3 children and a journalist and a women's rights activist. Lanthoy, her youngest daughter, enters the room. She is an intelligent girl. So you can see here a lady, she is in a reading room. By profession, she is a journalist, patrakar hai wo. Middle age means at the age of around 40. And she has 3 children. The girl you can see, her name is Lanthoy. The youngest, सबसे छोटी लड़की, she enters in the room. And how she is? She is a very intelligent girl. Today she looks thoughtful and she takes a seat by her mother's side. At the sight of her child, Asangvi lovingly asks, "Have you finished your study, my dear?" "Yes, mother. I finished it last night. Today being Sunday, I want to do something interesting." So there is a conversation between Asangvi and Lanthoy, and she says that yes, she has finished her work and as it is Sunday, she wants to do something interesting. Lanthoy says and waits for her mother's response. "Tell me what you want to do?" Asangvi asks her, quite amused. So Now the mother says that, okay, you tell me what you really want to do. Mother, tomorrow I am going to represent the Siroy Lily House as a speaker in a symposium at our school. The topic is God created man and woman as equals. Will you spare some time to have discussion with me? Lengthy presses on her mother. Now children, symposium means a meeting at which experts have discussion on a particular subject. So this girl Lento has a symposium. The topic is God created man and woman as equal. This is not a question, it's a statement. So now Lento want to speak on this, and so she has insisted that my mummy also should share her views. Lento has just discussion with her father on the topic. Tomba. Her father is a husband, supportive of the activities of his wife and a loving father. He is a lawyer and a social worker who advocates the cause of women. He is always proud of his wife, the two daughters and a son. Now this is a family of a 5 person. The name of the gentleman is Tomba. टोम्बा लेंथवे के पिताजी है और वो बाय प्रोफेशन लॉयर है, वकील है और सोशल वर्कर भी है. नाउ ही इज़ द वन हु सपोर्ट, अपनी वाइफ की हर एक्टिविटी को सपोर्ट करते हैं. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ही फील्स वेरी प्राउड कि मेरी वाइफ एक जर्नलिस्ट है, शी इज़ एन एक्टिविस्ट. In times of need, he extends his helping hand to his wife and children and to the society at large. He does not discriminate between a man's work and a woman's work anywhere. Now as you can see, he is helping his wife in all the household chores. Very important. Remember, cleaning and cooking is the work should be done by both the genders. सो ही डज नॉट डिस्क्रिमिनेट. उनको ऐसा नहीं था कि ये काम लड़कियों का है, मैं ये क्यों करूँ. इनफैक्ट उनका ये मानना था कि कोई भी काम लड़की का या लड़के का ऐसा नहीं है. ऑल द वर्क इज इक्वली डन बाय मेन एज वेल एज वुमन. ही शेयर्स इक्वली with his wife in doing the household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking and feeding the children. Had he not shared in these activities in the way he does, his wife would not have been a successful professional. Now, टोम्बा का यही एक जो अच्छी क्वालिटी थी कि he was very helping. इन्हीं की वजह से उनकी वाइफ असम भी आज बहुत सक्सेसफुल प्रोफेशनल है. That means every gentleman, every male in the house should support his wife by all means. He wholeheartedly believes in equality irrespective of class, religion and gender. In his discussion with his daughter, he laments over the great injustice done on women in the society, telling her, "My dear child, the world is still full of inequalities. We have to find a way to bring equality between man and woman." Now, he believed that there should be equality, right? And there should not be any difference between man and woman, or between the rich and rich, or because of you belongs to different religion. He was very sad and feeling grief and sorrow. Lament का मतलब है expresses grief and sorrow कि आज भी हमारे समाज में स्त्रियों पर के साथ बहुत ही इनजस्टिस, बहुत ही अन्याय होता है. सो उन्होंने का ये कहना था कि स्टिल टुडे पूरे समाज में बहुत इनइक्वालिटी है एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट अ वे. कोई रास्ता निकालना चाहिए बाय विच मैन एंड वुमन कैन बी इक्वल. Her father's words are still ringing in the ears of Lenthul, and she tells her mother of what her father has told her. Appreciative of her husband for his views, Asangvi says, "Your father is right. In no society do women enjoy the same opportunities enjoyed by men. It is because of your father that I feel no difference or inequality at home." So now लेंथुई को पिताजी ने तो बहुत बात बताई थी, शी शेयर दिस विथ हर मदर, बट उनकी माँ ने बहुत ही अप्रिशिएट किए अपने हस्बैंड के जो व्यूज़ थे उनको, और कहा कि ये बात सही है that in not in every society woman enjoys, they got all these rights and whatever the rights and the opportunities that जो एक जेंट्स को मिलते हैं वो वही सभी के सभी सारे लेडीज़ को नहीं मिलते हैं। बट शी इज़ वेरी लकी क्योंकि उसके पिताजी जो है वो उनकी पत्नी के साथ ऐसा इनइक्वालिटी नहीं करते हैं। सो चिल्ड्रन, when a husband and wife they mutually respect each other, they mutually cooperate with each other, and they give an equal opportunity, our house become home, and in this way we can find a way to avoid this kind of discriminations. But outside our home, I have seen that women have been subjugated in many ways. It is against the will of God. God has sent man and woman to our earth to share the joys and sorrows of life equally, to share the blessings and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally. This is what your topic means. पर असंवी का यह मानना था कि आज भी समाज में बहुत जगह पर स्त्रियों को एक डोमिनेट किया जाता है, उसको एकदम अपने कंट्रोल में रखा जाता है, पर ये भी भगवान की मर्जी के खिलाफ है। बिकॉज गॉड ने मेन और वुमन दोनों को इस प्लानेट के ऊपर जो भी कुछ सुख है दुख है वो दोनों ही वो एक समान तरीके से मिले, इस प्रकार की रचना की है। भगवान ने जो भी कुछ बनाया है वो सबके लिए है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई ऑल द अपॉर्चुनिटी शुड बी इक्वल टू मैन एंड वुमन। Ashangi knows well that men and women are equal. Women are half of the human race, are as important as men. She writes and talks about such topics. Her daughter, though a child, also understands well that her mother is not a person of lesser quality than her father. सो असंगी का ये मानना भी था और ये उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे ऐसे लेख लिख चुकी थी कि तो दोनों का इम्पोर्टेंस इक्वल है। पर आज उसकी डॉटर ने भी ये समझ लिया कि मेरे घर में मेरी माँ भी मेरे पिताजी से कुछ कम नहीं है। बोथ माई फादर एंड mother are of equal importance. Both of them have a same they are equal in terms of quality. So our home is full of love with you, mother. The mother beams with joy at the word of her daughter. As a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love in a family. This bonds of love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. It is because of this that motherhood has been glorified and women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. Showing deep affections, Asanvi continues, pioneer women testify to the equality of women with men. Actually, life is not possible without both women and men. अब जो लैंथवे को लगा कि यस हमारा घर जो है पूरा किसी का भी घर में जो प्यार से कोई भरता है तो वो उसकी माँ है, और हमें पता है कि मम्मी जो है वो फाउंटेन ऑफ लव है ना, प्यार का सागर है, और उसकी तुलना हम किसी से भी नहीं कर सकते हैं बिकॉज द मदर इज नेक्स्ट टू गॉड। और इसीलिए माँ बनना ये सबसे बड़ा सौभाग्य है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वुमन एक्सेप्ट द चैलेंजेस इन द लाइफ बिकॉज शी वांट्स टू बी अ गुड मदर। थे कि पायोनियर मतलब बहुत पहले की वुमन जो थे दे ऑल हैज टेस्टिफाइड द इक्वालिटी ऑफ वुमन, वो ये समझते थे, राइट। एंड एक्चुअली लाइफ इज नॉट पॉसिबल। एक बात याद रखिए, ये जो पूरा सोसाइटी है, ये जो हमारा फैमिली जिसको कहते हैं, दे बोथ ये इट इज इनकम्प्लीटेड विदाउट मैन एंड वुमन। तो कोई बड़ा नहीं, कोई छोटा नहीं, कोई ऊंचा नहीं है। मैन एंड वुमन आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू ईच अदर। वो दोनों एक दूसरे के पूरक है, एक दूसरे को संभालते हैं, और इस तरह से हमारा घर जो है Lento has been fascinated by the stories of pioneer women. Her grandmother had narrated many stories of the brave queens like Lithongambi and Kuranami, who were as brave as kings. There were also many brave women among the common people. These women, as her grandmother narrated, were makers of home, family, society and the nations. They were civilizing influences. Pioneer का यहाँ मतलब है बच्चों, a person who is among the first to take up a cause, especially in a new region. तो उनके एरिया में ये जो दो क्वीन रानी थी वो बहुत ही ब्रेव थी. Civilizing means educating, and the meaning of potential here is the qualities that exist and can be developed. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ रानी है तो ही महान है. हर एक औरत जो हर घर में दिखाई देती है, हर फैमिली में दिखाई देती है, वो कुछ ना कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट करती है बाय क्वालिटीज बिकॉज शी इज एजुकेटिंग. ऐसा कहते हैं कि अगर कोई एक लड़की पढ़ती है तो पूरा फैमिली एडुकेट होता है. सो हमारा जो सिविलाइजेशन है इज बिकॉज ऑफ द वुमन हु हैव इन्फ्लुएंस्ड देम. एट सेम टाइम they were also adventurers who claimed their shares in free land, plowed and raised crops with their own hands and drove cattle. Modern women have become mountaineers, naturalists, astronauts, scientists, soldiers and political leaders. This proves that there is nothing a woman cannot do, and also that women and men were created as equals. Now children, look at this. फर्स्ट बचिंद्री पाल जिन्होंने पहली बार माउंट सर किया था. यू कैन सी इसरो साइंटिस्ट आज मार्स मिशन और इसके पीछे बहुत सारे मिशन के पीछे उनका ब्रेन है. IPS किरण बेदी. द वुमन इन द नेवी एंड इन एयरफोर्स नीता अंबानी, मजुमदार, जॉर्ज शो, दिस आर आवर बिजनेस टाइकून. हाउ कैन वी फॉरगेट आवर फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर्स. स्मृति ईरानी is also the minister. So we can say ऐसा एक भी फील्ड नहीं है जो उसमें वुमन नहीं है. That means man and woman are equal and woman is no less than a man. She can do all the kind of the work that a man does. Then she asked her mother, "Mother, you have thrown light on the equality of man and woman and also have emphasized that the world is still an unequal world. Then what I would like to know is if there are moral, social and legal provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential and to set themselves free from suppressions." Amazed at the curiosity of her daughter, Asan behaves. अब माँ की ये बातें तो उसे बहुत समझ में आ गई. उसे समझ में आया कि मेरे घर में तो सब इक्वालिटी है, पर ये भी पता चला कि भाई समाज के बाहर तो बहुत है, घर के बाहर तो बहुत अनइक्वालिटी है. तब लैंथवे ने कहा कि क्या ऐसा कोई सामाजिक हमारे यहाँ को कोई स्ट्रक्चर है, क्या ऐसी कोई न्याय की विधि है जहाँ पर वुमन को किसी भी प्रकार की सहायता मिल सके और जो ये ऐसा कुछ शोषण उसका हो रहा है उससे वो फ्री हो सके. तो यस, लीगल यानी कि शी कैन अप्रोच टू द कोर्ट, चाहे सिटी सिविल हो, हाई कोर्ट हो या सुप्रीम कोर्ट हो. सो देयर आर मेनी अंडर द एजिस ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशंस देयर इज अ डिक्लेरेशन फॉर अ न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑफ इक्वालिटी. इट हैज़ द फॉलोइंग डायमेंशंस. अब यूनाइटेड नेशंस आप सबको पता है, यू कैन सी द सिंबल. उन्होंने लेडीज के लिए कुछ डायमेंशंस बनाए हैं, कुछ एस्पेक्ट तय किए हैं. विच आर दैट? Equal access to basic social services including health and education. चाहे लड़की हो या लड़का हो. हेल्थ यानी कि अच्छा खाना, अच्छी तंदुरुस्ती, इसके लिए एक्सरसाइज, और एजुकेशन के लिए दोनों को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए. इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन इन पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक डिसीजन मेकिंग. आज लड़कियां भी CA बन सकती है, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर बन सकती है, पूरी RBI में भी जा सकती है, और ऑफ कोर्स देश के प्राइम मिनिस्टर से लेके प्रेसिडेंट तक बन सकती है. सो यहाँ पर भी वुमन को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलनी चाहिए और उसका भी पार्टिसिपेशन कंट्री के रूलिंग में होना चाहिए. इक्वल रिवार्ड फॉर इक्वल वर्क, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर कोई वुमन अपने लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा मकाम हासिल करती है तो उसके लिए भी उसकी रिकग्निशन, उसको रिवॉर्ड मिलना, एप्रिसिएशन होना ही चाहिए। एंड एलिमिनेशन ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड वायलेंस अगेंस्ट वुमेन। सबसे बड़ी बात, ये भेदभाव जो है उसे हमें हर तरह से निकाल देना है। एंड किसी भी प्रकार की डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस हो, फिजिकल एब्यूज हो, एसिड अटैक हो, इस प्रकार की जो भी वायलेंस है इसके खिलाफ भी हमें वुमन को प्रोटेक्ट करना है। Then the mother concluded, "My dear daughter, we can affirm along with the United Nations that man and woman are equal." Now Lantho understands what her mother means and what the topic of symposium means. Thus confident of success, the next day, after thanking her mother, the girl of 12 happily rushes out of the room in the bright morning sun. The blue sky meets the range of the eastern mountains. The small girl is always fascinated by the small trail which winds up the distant purple mountain. माँ की ये बात सुन के अब लेंथो को समझ में आ गया कि टॉपिक क्या है। शी इज़ वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट क्योंकि उसने अपने पिताजी के साथ, माँ के साथ बात की थी। एंड नाउ शी इज़ थिंकिंग हर मदर, और वो बहुत खुश थी कि सचमुच मैन एंड वुमन आर इक्वल। एंड देन शी वॉज एंजॉइंग द ब्यूटिफुल द स्काई, द माउंटेन्स, and her confidence has pushed up. For this only on 8th March we celebrate this as a Women's Day, to spread the awareness about the gender equality, and this can be achieved only by empowering the woman, by giving them the best educations, job opportunities, career, and the moral and and all kind of support. So we are 50-50. याद रखिए, जीवन की कला को अपने हाथों से साकार कर नारी ने संस्कृति का रूप निखारा है। नारी का अस्तित्व ही सुंदर जीवन का आधार है। So the world is very beautiful. When the man and the woman come together, they understand, they respect each other. Definitely the future of the society is very bright. Thank you very much, children. To like, comment and share the video.